The ocean doesn't get darker all at once. It closes in slowly until the world feels smaller than a coffin and heavier than a mountain. January 23rd, 1960. Somewhere in the Pacific, a steel sphere the size of a small room begins to sink. Inside it are two men, Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh, pressed shoulder to shoulder. No windows, no escape, only gauges, creaking metal, and the knowledge that above them lies miles of water, each layer adding pressure strong enough to crush steel like paper. As the submersible Trieste descends, sunlight fades within minutes. Blue turns to black. The temperature drops. The hull groans, a low, living sound like the ocean testing their courage. At 1,000 meters, then 2, then 5. No human has ever been this deep, and no one knows for sure what waits below. Midway down, there's a sudden crack. Sharp, violent, the sound of something breaking. For a moment, both men freeze. Is it the hull? A viewport? A fatal fracture? They check the instruments. Everything still reads green. They exchange a glance. Silent agreement. Keep going. Outside, the pressure is now greater than anything built on land could survive. Each square inch of the vessel is being squeezed by the weight of entire mountain ranges. One mistake, one flaw, and the ocean would rush in faster than thought. Hours pass. Then, finally, the descent slows. The depth gauge reaches nearly 11,000 meters. The Challenger Deep, the deepest point on Earth. Trieste touches down with a soft, muddy thud. For a long moment, there is nothing. Then the silt settles. Through the tiny viewport, the men see it, a flat, pale shape drifting along the seafloor. A living creature. Proof that life exists even here, in a place of crushing darkness and eternal cold. In the most unreachable corner of the planet. Something is still moving. They sit in silence, absorbing what they've done. No flags planted, no triumphant speeches, just two humans, quietly present at the bottom of the world. After only 20 minutes, they begin the long ascent back to light, back to air, back to a world that will struggle to understand what they've seen. Because this dive wasn't about conquest. It was about humility, about how small we are and how vast the unknown still remains. If this journey into the deep stirred your sense of wonder, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what unexplored frontier fascinates you most?